Hello, I'm Seth with Land House. In this video, I'm going to be doing a sample install of the Hitoplux LED parking garage light. This is the 40-watt version, so it is quite bright. And it has a special feature, which I think will be quite handy. And that is the installation box on the back is removable. If you've ever installed these big heavy lights, then you know having this thing hanging from the wiring basically is kind of sketchy, so it is nice to have this removable box. Let's head over here to my test setup and get this installed. In the future, I'm going to be using this in my carport, so you'll see this light again. This light can be installed as both a pole or a mount to either a junction box or just flat here on this surface. So in this installation, it's just going to be flat against this surface. But there's a bottom pole mount and a pole mount on each side of the box. So pretty easy to get this installed. To open this up, I'm going to take a screwdriver and pop this bottom lever. It's a very tight tolerance there for waterproof and bug proof. There we go. So let's open this, and the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the wiring to the LEDs itself, and this way I can easily slide this out and separate the box from this big heavy globe, and that's going to be key for getting this installed a lot easier. So to get this installed on a flat piece like I'm going to be doing, I just need to knock out some of these inner screw holes here, and I think I'm just going to take a drill bit to do that. I'm sure there are a number of ways you could do it, but it seems like this may be the quickest way. Okay, like I was saying, this is just a test install, so I've got a board hanging up here, and I'm just going to be placing the light fixture here up on this board and using just some simple screws to get it installed. Now I know this will oftentimes be installed up on a ladder, and that makes it even more difficult, so much easier to have it here on this small plate. There we go. That's all it takes to get that installed. Now there you can put two more on the other side, and I would definitely do that if you were going to be installing this for permanent install. Now I want to get a screwdriver and remove one of these. I could either do the top one and come through. Let's say you're going into a garage or an attic space. You could easily do that. Just for this test purpose, I'm going to be... Actually, let's do it this way so you can see it. Let's go ahead and just pull this one out. Each of these has a rubber gasket on it to prevent bugs and water from getting in there. Okay, this extension cord is going to represent my wiring here. Just going to stick it through this open hole. And the unit did not come with any wire nuts, so you may have to provide your own for that. But at this point, you've just got your black, green, and white wires. Black to black, white to white, green to green. You would also want to put some black electrical tape on this as well for a full install. And lastly here is our ground. Okay, and there we go. Now it's time to get the globe installed. So I'm just going to flip it here in the direction of those little hooks. Line it up. And at this point, I need to reconnect my LED connector. Swing this back up into position and get these clamps back snapped here. Okay, now it's time to plug this in or turn it on. There we go. Nice and bright. Backing up a little bit here, you can see just how bright this light is. Looks quite nice. Let me flip off the lights here in the shop so you can see just this light by itself. I like it. So that's a 40 watt version there. It comes in an 80 if you need even more light. We'll go ahead and turn this off so we can see it up close without the light on here. It's a nice sleek design and definitely is going to be bug proof and waterproof. There's gaskets on both the connection here and on the connection there to the box. Let's see what we get up here real quick. The Hitoplux LED garage parking light is ideal for gas stations or garage carports, but in my case I have this type of light here in my shop, so all kinds of different uses for this type of light. If you'd like to check out this particular light, I have a link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.